severe thunderstorm warning for West Central Washington County in central Vermont, East Central Essex County in northern New York, southwestern Chittenden County in northwest Vermont, northwestern Addison County in central Vermont until 3:45 p.m. At 2:40 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing 1-inch diameter hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. The storm was near Mineville, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include but are not limited to Button Bay State Park, Basin Harbor, Harrisburg, Kingsland Bay State Park, Moncton, Mount Philo State Park, Arnsburg, Hanksville. This severe thunderstorm is also producing deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. When you can do so safely, please report damaging winds or hail to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-863-4279 or by submitting a storm report at weather.gov/Burlington. Get to safety immediately when threatening weather approaches. Winds may knock down trees and power lines and damage buildings. Large hail may cause injury and damage property. Very heavy rain will also occur with this severe thunderstorm, which could flood low-lying areas quickly and cover roads with water. Do not drive into areas where water covers the road. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Sunday evening for northern New York and Vermont. Now the